want to renovate my parents' room myself. From this to this. Help them get rid of the old stuff first. Because the bedroom is small and cramped. So I decided to dismantle the bed first. The bed frame is not only moldy, but also broken. It's like that. My parents asked me to make the ashes. There's finally a place to collect paper. Start tidying up old stuff in my parents' closet. Then remove the aluminum alloy partition. No air conditioning pipe partition looks very bad, so I moved the air conditioner to the right. Not open. I raised my head and saw that the plaster ceiling was cracked. Even though Sao is also renovated, so dismantle all raw. The result is removing the power cord. What to do? Finally, remove the anti-theft window. Today's work is completed, and it takes a total of 2 days. It makes the bedroom small and dark, become bright and spacious. I'll try the ceiling tomorrow. Cover the pipes and wires. I don't know if it can succeed. I want to renovate my parents' room myself. It turns out like this. I cleaned the bedroom yesterday because they've removed them, so I have to hang the ceiling today. I went online last night to learn how to do it. I went to buy ingredients early this morning. Total cost less than NDT 200. When the wiring is done, you can start building the frame. Finishing the frame, start fitting accessories. Then install the main frame. And install the subframe as well. You can install the plaster after installing the frame. Finally made the first ceiling. Clean a little and continue. Now it's the final stages. Let's take a look at today's city. Guess what I'm going to do here tomorrow? I want to renovate the bedroom for my parents. Become like this. I just finished hanging it yesterday because there's a pole here that doesn't fit in the trench. So today we're going to make a fence and a fence. After cutting the plaster, you can start building the wooden frame. When the wood is finished, it can be mounted on the wall. Next is to install the plaster. Then start to install the socket. A little hair and a few simple steps. final result. Tomorrow, the wood floor will be smashed. Do you think I can do it? I want to renovate the bedroom for my parents. Become like this. I just made a partition wall and a chandelier yesterday. I'm going to redo the floor today because there's a difference between the inside and the outside of the bedroom. So I'm going to raise the floor. So we need to remove the door and the door. After the floor is raised, I'm going to put a moisture-proof film on it. Then you can classify the floor mat and start acting. Which monster South Korean? There's a few more simple steps to go. Let's see today's city. I'll make a closet tomorrow. Renovate the bedroom for my parents. Become like this. I just finished the floor yesterday. I'm going to make a closet today. Let's go buy raw materials. Use the meter to determine the location of the cabinet. Then use the wall detector to check. See if there is a power cord. Just make sure it's safe and you can start mounting the frame. Because walls are concrete walls, so you have to put a wooden bottom first. Put some more fixed frame bars, so this side of the frame is done. Continue to make the door frame. Surrounded by wood. Then brush the rust-proof bone and you can install the plasterboard. There's a few simple steps to go. Take a look at the last one. I'll make the door for the closet tomorrow.